Welcome to EdTechNext, and I am your host. My name is Andrea Cook, and today you're going to be learning about a new tool that I have been researching, and it is called Glide. You can get to Glide by going to go.glideapps.com. And then once you're there, what this tool will do is it will take your Google spreadsheet. So you can take a Google sheet and make it an app that you can use on your phone, just like that. Now, here's the cool thing about it. You don't need to know how to code at all. It'll automatically do it for you. And the best part about it is free 99. So before I get started now, I want to give a big ups, first of all, to Bethany Petty, because I saw this on your Twitter feed and I really appreciate it. Big ups. Thank you. Anyway, next thing. Now, here is a copy of the sheet that I'm going to use. And this Google sheet that I'm using is called Summer Institute, because I'm going to use this information for a conference that we're going to be having. So what I have is the session name, the session speakers, the times, the room number, and a picture of who's going to be speaking on the first part of the sheet. And then on the second part, sheet 2, is going to be like resources that I'm going to have. So to start, you go to go.glideapps.com, and then you want to click the plus sign for new app, and then go to your Google Drive and choose your sheet, which I'm choosing Summer Institute. Click select. Okay, so this is what my app is going to look like right now. Now, I show that my images are grayed out, so I'm going to go over here to my image and I'm going to click that drop down and click on pictures so that my pictures can show. And then you can change the layout of how you want it to look. If you want tiles, if you want columns, what have you. This is what your app will look like now. Also, there was a sheet 2 to the spreadsheet, and that was the resources. And there they are now. My image is grayed out, so I'm going to go ahead and click pictures on that. Now, basically all the information that was in that sheet is right here on this app. And then once you're done, all you have to do is just click share app. And then you can either copy a link to it, what have you, and then it's all done. And then basically what happens also, you can click open the app, and then it'll show a QR code. And I'm just going to take that QR code and I'm just going to post it around the school that we're going to be having our Summer Institute in. That way all the teachers can just take a picture. Boom, they got the app on their phone, no matter what kind of phone it is. All the information is there. And like I said, it's free 99. This app is thebomb.com. Check it out. Next episode of EdTechNext will be coming up here shortly. So come check us out. And you can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and all that good stuff too. Have a good day.